Okay, I'm going to take you guys through step by step on how to grill your fish at home using natural spices, which I have here. So over here, these are my ingredients that I have that I'm going to use to grill my spices, showing you guys step by step how to grill your fish at home. Here I have my Aidan fruit over here. This smells, it's a very good spice to have in your fish. It gives it that beautiful flavoring taste in your fish. And then over here, I have my country onion. What this spice does, it gives the fish the warmth and put all the flavors together. It's extremely interesting spice to have in your fish. And then over here, I have my white pepper. This pepper is quite interesting. It gives it that natural spiciness kick and give the fish good flavor, but it's not spicy. It just have a taste. And over here, I have my 1 cup of oil that I'm going to use. And this is my base for my sauce. So over here, I have 2 red peppers. I have my white onion. I have my ginger and my 4 garlic and 1 jalapeno pepper for the heat. This you can skip if you don't want it spicy. And then over here I have my salt. So these are my ingredients that I'm going to use. So let me show you how I grilled my fish at home using my natural spices. I'll take you guys through step by step. So let's get started. So, okay, now I'm going to remove this and put it back. So now I'll put it back to 0 so that it's clear on the reading. So now we are going with the country onion over here, which is 11 grams of country onion. I'm gonna put this back. Then I'm going in with my, put it again on 0 with my white pepper, that is 3 grams. So 3 grams of white pepper. So now I have all my 3 spices. I'm going to blend everything together. That is my Eden fruit, my country onion, and my white pepper. So I'll blend this up together. And you'll see the beautiful how the spices are going to smell. So make sure whatever blender you use, I'm using my coffee blender. So make sure it blends everything very well, smooth together with no clots inside. So I'll blend this like for about 10 minutes based on what you are using for blending. No, not 10 minutes. I'll blend this for 2 minutes. 10 minutes is a lot of time. So I'll blend this for 2 minutes. Or you don't have to set yourself a time based on the blender you are using at home. So make sure you blend it very smooth so that everything can come together and you don't want any clumps inside. So you want it to become like a powder for your spice. So these are my 3 natural spices that I'm using for our fish today. Okay, let's see how this looks. So why I'm heating this, because I want all the spice to go down, not waste anything, you see? So it means it still needs a little bit more over there. The other 2 are not blended yet. So now I'm just grinding my spices. So let's see if this has grinded very well into that smoothness that I'm looking for. This is what you are looking for. Look how beautiful that came out. This is my 3 spices together. This smells so good. I can smell the sweetness, the warmness, the aroma. My kitchen is already starting to smell different. So this is what I'm looking for here. Look how beautiful these spices came out, the whole 3 combination. So what is darkening it like this? This is the Eden fruit because it's a dark spice. So I'll just transfer this here into my bowl. Put everything out, okay? And then I'll do the same here as well on the lid. So you can see the lid one, it's like more smooth. So make sure everything is out. Don't want to waste anything. This is a very precious spice. I'm going to take this out of our way. Our second step is I'm going to chop my red peppers and we're going to put them into the blender. So we're going to use the same plate. So I'll just start by chopping that. There's not really a specific size on how to chop this. What you want is just to help the blender to chop it very well. So I'll just chop it straight, and I've already washed my veggie. So I'll just chop this out and then put it right away in my blender. So I don't waste this. I chopped up everything, and then this, I just remove it like this. I used everything in my pepper. Then I just transfer this inside like that. And then I'm gonna use this hot pepper. I'm not gonna chop it. I'm gonna put this as a whole. over there. And then my onion, I'll slice it also up to make it a little bit small. This. And then my for garlic, my ginger over here. So I'll just take this out of the way. So I'll just pluck this on. So now where all the magic begins, where I stick my husband craving for my fish at home, it's now where I'm going to add my spices in here and make him and give him that taste that he can't find anywhere else. So these are my 3 spices. So I'll just put everything in directly into my blending. And then I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of salt inside, just a little bit. This. Then I'm going to do this. I'm going to blend this. So I'm not going to use any water or oil on my blending for my sauces. I'll show you. This is my secret I use. I don't put any water. I don't put any oil. So I'll show you after this what I'm going to do. Okay, so now this is done. This is how you want it to look like. This. Look how beautiful this looks. This looks very nice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put half of this into this bowl. I'm going to leave this here into that bowl over there. And this half here, I'm going to leave it and I'm going to slow cook it on low heat to make it the sauce as my dipping for my fish. So I'll put this. So this is now where I add my oil because my red peppers has already have water in it. So now I'm just going to add my oil inside here, half of it here, and half of it will go into my mixture over there. Then I'm just going to mix this up very well. So this is what is going to take your fish to the next level and make it taste so delicious. Trust. So now we are done with this one. Our salt and everything came very well together. This tastes so delicious. I'm already loving all my flavor, all my spices coming together. It tastes quite delicious already. I love it. Like this, not too deep. This, and I'm gonna creating a unique style for my fish, like this. Now put this, so you want it like this, not too deep, but you want your seasoning to go inside as well. Put this here. Start massaging our fish and take it to the extreme next level. And I'm just gonna, so now what I do is on each fish, I'm going to put salt on the fish directly. Half of the spoons like this, apply directly onto each fish on each side, inside and on all the sides. Then I'm going in again on the other side like this, applying my fish salt. Then I apply it like this inside. Where we cut those lines, you want your seasoning to go inside like that, like this. Then you want it also to go inside over here. Make sure every part of the fish has the taste of the seasoning. It's very important. Then I'm just going to flip it again the other side. So I have this that I don't need in my fish. You see how beautiful is the oil when you add it at the end? It just gives the sauce a differently kick inside. So then I just do the same over here. So now we are done with the third step of putting it in. So I'm going to grill this for 30 minutes, so 15 minutes on each side. So when we are going to turn the fish in another 15 minutes, then we are going to apply this sauce here that we have. We are going to brush it again on top. So I'm going to heat up my oven on 350. On 350 here, you want it to be on 350. And then I'll put it on grill over there. So now I'm just putting in my fish over here like this openly. This sauce that we left from our blending, I'm just gonna slow cook it. Just gonna add my remaining half oil from our mixture. I'll add it in and let this slow cook and become our beautiful sauce. So we added already all our spices inside. So my salt, my spices, everything is perfect. So I'll let this cook for 5 minutes. Just look how beautiful this looks already. I'm going to do fried plantain on the side with my fish. So while our fish is busy there, I'll just start to slide my plantain and fry it. You know, our husbands eat with their eyes. Okay, so now it's coming up together. So what you want is just 1 cup of oil and just put it into your pan. This smells so delicious already. So I'll just transfer it here and we're gonna turn this. So I'm just gonna flip this, go in with my sauce over there, my final touch up here. This smells so delicious. My kitchen is smelling full of flavors. It smells so fish is very delicate. This, voila, on this side. So this is our final touch up. Then we're gonna leave it another 15 minutes and let that cook now. 15 minutes. Look how beautiful this looks. This is now ready. I'm gonna switch this off. Start with my plantains over here. So when you see the other side is becoming brown, then you can flip your plantain. Done. My fish is almost ready. The other secret I want to show you guys how I grill my fish is that when you see your fish is almost ready, look at the eyes of the fish. You can see the eyes of the fish. It will change color. It will become more white. It means your fish is ready. So now I am going to flip my oven to grill from up here so that it can grill up and tender inside. So I'm going to change it here to put it on bake so that it can grill up and not down. So I put it on bake and I leave it on 350. I'm going to remove the heat from the down to come to up. So I'm going to grill the up so that it's tender inside and crispy outside. So you see the fish eyes, they are white. It means my fish is ready. So now I just want to give it the crispiness on top. Over here, like this, over there, like this. So my fish broke down. It's okay, guys. This happens in our kitchen. So we'll just put it like this. So fish is so delicate. Do not make my mistake, the same mistake I did. So I'll just put it nice here. Yes, put my plantain like this. So I'm going to have it as my dipping. This is how delicious, beautiful my fish came out. And trust me, the taste in this fish using my 3 spices is going to make you. Don't forget to share this beautiful recipe with your loved one and friends. See you guys in the next video. So let me just dig in and show you guys how tasty and beautiful this fish tastes.